Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm going to show you the Horn of America Model 2111 crafting table. This crafting table has two drop leaf extensions that are currently in the full and upright position. I've also added the Horn of America 40-inch by 72-inch cutting mat. Since the table is 35 inches high, it's a perfect height for cutting, garment sewing, quilt making, or even gift wrapping. The table has one deep pull-out drawer that will safely store your 24-inch rulers, as well as many other accessories. If you have added the 40-inch by 72-inch cutting mat and you'd like to store it, you'll flip the mat upside down, roll it up, and store it into the cutout. The Model 2111 is available in all white, white with oak trim as you see, and sunset oak. When you order the 2111, it arrives ready to be assembled and put to use. I've removed the cutting mat. Now there are two drop leaf extensions that will want to slide the support panels to the sides. Gently lower the leaf and repeat on the other side. You can also leave it in this position and roll it up against the wall if you'd like a smaller crafting surface. Now the 2111 is nice and compact. We can take it up against the wall. It's out of the way.